In this video I'm going to show you how to make yourself available on the PC version of Outlook 2007. Using the week view, I want to make myself available on the Wednesday morning. I can either create a new entry by using the new appointment button on the top left, or I can do it by hovering my mouse over the actual space itself, which is what I'm going to do. By clicking in that space, I'm going to type my initials followed by a dash, and then I'm going to write the word free, which shows the Chambers managers that I'm available that morning. I now actually want to, I've got a choice here. I can make myself available for a 2-hour surgery. So if I wanted to do a 2-hour surgery, I can just drag this bar along for 2 hours. And that means the IT system will show that I'm free for 2 hours. If I want to start not at 9 but at 9:30, I can drag it down half an hour or an hour, so I can start at 10 or 9:30. I can also double click and I can do it using the drop down menus. So I actually want to start at 10 and finish at 12. Now that I've done that, I need to say that I am free, so that our IT system Locomate will be able to see that I'm free to work. I do this by going to the bar here and going from busy and clicking on free. If it's down as busy, the system won't be able to book me. At this stage 2, I can add a reminder so that if when a session is booked for me, I like to be reminded half an hour in advance. This is because I've set my calendar to synchronize with my iPhone, and therefore my iPhone will alarm 30 minutes before I'm due at the surgery. One button here you mustn't use is the recurrence button. The recurrence button looks like it's going to be quite useful if you want to work the same regular sessions every day of the week or every day of the month or whatever. But unfortunately it has led in the past to quite a few errors, because if down the line you want to for some reason delete a session, invariably it deletes all other sessions that have been booked as a recurrence, and members have lost appointments and created problems with that in the past, so we strongly discourage that. I'm going to then click on Save and Close. If you want to be booked for a 4-hour session, obviously then this needs to be opened up for 4 hours. If you want to be booked for an on-call session, then you have to start the session at 8:30 and again finish at 1 o'clock. Summary here saying 8:30 till 1. It might even be worth actually starting at 8 o'clock, because that's when a lot of the sessions are booked from. If your availability on that Wednesday morning is pretty much what you want to be doing, say, on the Thursday morning, then it's possible to take all the settings you've used on that entry and copy it over to another day of the week. The easiest way to do this is to hold the CTRL key on your keyboard, which is usually in the bottom left corner of your computer's keyboard. Hold the control down with your finger, and then use your mouse, drag it over to where you want it. So I've now done that for Thursday morning. I'm going to also do it for Tuesday morning, but Tuesday morning I don't want to be on call, I just want to do a 2-hour session starting at 9:30, so I'm going to drag that and adjust the boxes there. So now the system will know that I want to work that time. Another thing I can do if I want to is, some people might like to actually add some colour to their sessions, or even give these categories. The way to do that is pressing on the colour button up here, or opening up You'll see the categorize button there. You can pick whatever colour you want, of course, and you can customize these different colours. The IT system won't pick up on these. These are only for personal use only. Another thing here is if you say have made yourself available here like I have done for 3 sessions, but actually that week I only want to work 2 sessions. What we would then do here in this box is manually write in something along the lines of maximum 2 sessions, and that will now allow the Chambers managers to not overbook you for that week. Save and close, and it's now in there. This has to be written on all the sessions, and you can use copy and paste. Best way to use copy and paste is Control C to copy, then Control V for paste, and then close that. Another way to copy sessions, I've shown you the Control plus drag and drop. You can also do the Control C for this. Hold down Control, press C, then put the mouse cursor where you want the session to be pasted, Control V, and there you have it. If you wanted to do this across a month, click on the month view button, and again you can click on your day and press Control V. By doing this in a month view, I'll be maintaining the initial integrity of the times, the timing of the sessions. I copied a session that started at 8 o'clock, so this one will paste in a session that started at 8 or 8:30. But again, I can go in and I can edit that. And as it is, I actually don't want it, so I'm going to delete it.